want to create powerful images with less. Minimalist photography is one of the most striking styles in the art world today. In this video, I'll show you what minimalist photography is, why it works, and step-by-step tips to master it, so you can capture simple, breathtaking shots that stand out anywhere. Today, we're diving into the world of minimalist photography, a style that proves sometimes, less really is more. Minimalist photography is all about simplicity. Instead of filling the frame with too many subjects, it focuses on clean compositions, strong negative space, and a single subject that captures attention. It's not about what you include, it's about what you leave out. Minimalism works because our eyes crave clarity. In a world full of noise and clutter, a simple image with strong composition creates peace, balance, and emotional depth. That's why minimalist photos perform so well on Instagram, fine art galleries, and even professional portfolios. Here are 5 practical tips to improve your minimalist photography. Use negative space, leave plenty of empty areas around your subject. Choose simple subjects, a chair, or even a person against a plain wall. Work with clean backgrounds, sky, water, sand, or a solid colored wall. Play with composition, rule of thirds, symmetry, and centered subjects all work beautifully. Edit for minimalism, remove distractions, enhance contrast, and keep colors simple. Remember, minimalism isn't about less effort, it's about more intention. Wondering where to start? Here are some minimalist photography ideas you can try. Nature shots with a single tree or rock. Architectural photography with clean lines and symmetry. Street photography with one person walking in an open space. Portraits against plain walls or skies. Each of these styles gives you endless opportunities to experiment with minimalism. So, that's your guide to getting started with minimalist photography. Which idea are you going to try first? Drop your answer in the comments below, I'd love to hear it.